What is good, YouTube? LA palms on the beat, on the wavy beat. You know what I mean? Making the world a better place, one video at a time. And we're back with another fitness video. Today we're gonna be targeting the shoulders and the traps with this quick and easy but a killer 5-minute workout. So without any further ado, let's bounce right into the workout, shall we? All right, y'all. So starting off, we're gonna get this shoulder press with a little twist. So you'll see what I mean. Let's get it. All right, starting now. We're gonna strive for 1 full minute. And if you really follow along with me, you'll see it's evident that these workouts are gonna literally demolish, destroy the hell out of your muscle. Especially in this garage, bro. I'm in my garage. Hella humid out here. Keep it going. If you need a little break, take a little break and then get back on it, cause it's serious here. Ooh. Almost there. Okay, on to the next one. All right, you're gonna feel the burn with this one. These are called shoulder circles, so let's get it. It goes a little like this. I know it looks stupid. It looks very stupid, but this is killer. And you don't realize how tough this is until you actually do it. So try it with me so you can feel the burn together. And if you feel like it's not difficult enough for you, do it faster. Make it difficult for you, you know what I mean? Shake it off. Keep doing it. Oh my God. Hey yo, these are it. These are the one, bro. My dude. 5 more seconds. And all right. Make sure to stay hydrated. On to the third exercise, side raises. This one is tough, so get prepared for this one. I'm doing this exercise with 25-pound dumbbells. Oh, you can do this with as much weight as you may like, whether it be 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 30 pounds, 1,000 pounds. I mean, sky's the limit, am I right? But the sky isn't the limit. I mean, it's all about you limiting the fees. And as you can see, I'm kind of, you gotta maintain a balance. You gotta move with your shoulders. And I'm kind of shaking off a little bit. That's because it's tough. 25-pound dumbbells are hard for me in the sense of the side raises. Ah, God. My God. Ooh. Woo! Oh my. Almost there. 5 more seconds. You can do it. And last one. There we go. God damn. Without any breaks, moving on to traps. The trap shrugs. Really squeeze the hell out of your traps. Pretend as if you're squeezing the very last leftovers of toothpaste. That's what we're doing here. Not sure if that's the best analogy, but it works for me, so you know what I mean. Funky, funky bounce. Look at that. Really getting in that shoulder madness, that trap madness, you know? Bro, it looks like I'm bathing in my sweat. Ooh, that's nasty, but at the same time, that's how you get the gains, you know what I mean? Hella animated, hella active. Especially in these quarantine months and these summer months, bro. You gotta get that summer body in. Gotta be active, hella active, bro. All right, 10 more seconds, you got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1.5, no, half, 1/4, 1/1,000,000th, and the last one. Ah! Now moving on to the very last. Water is essential. And now for the last exercise, front raises, killing the hell out of these shoulders. Let's get it. 1, 2, gonna strive for 30. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got 10, 11, homie. 12, 13, 14. Halfway there. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 66.6% there. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 2 more, 29, 30, 2 more, 31, 32, 33, last one, 34, oh my God. Man, that is killer as hell. You know how I said there was gonna be 5 exercises? I lied. We got one last one. So come with me on this very last one, the 6th and final exercise. All right, for the last exercise, you're gonna have to get on the ground in a push-up position, like this. These are called shoulder taps, like this. All right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As fast as you can. Can't even talk, bro. This is so intense. Woo! Remember, go at your speed. It's all subjective here. No wrong moves. Just gotta do it right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Keep up the pace. You got it. Oh my God. I'm sweating like mad, no, like a mad dog, bro. Beach bum in the cut. Oh my God. That's it. That's killer. God damn. Woo! My garage floor is hella dirty, so look at my palms, bro. As you can tell, this 5-minute workout is no joke. Especially if you do it more than 2 times, bro. You'll be absolutely killed. In a good way, of course. Really destroying, putting in that work, that necessity, that love, you know? Beat up your muscles with love. That's what I do. I know it hurts, but it's all out of love. It's all for a greater cause. I mean, you want to have a summer body, right? So you gotta do what you gotta do and get there the way that you need to get there, by working out, putting in the work. Working out is fun. Hold on a second. I need to get some water in my system. No more. My God, bro. That was killer. And if you enjoyed, make sure to drop down a like, subscribe if you haven't already, drop down a comment, let me know which exercise is your favorite, and don't forget to follow along and play the video more than 2 times if you need to, so you can really get that physique in. Now I gotta show off a little bit. Oh look, it's a squirrel out there. Nice. So these are my traps. I really like how when I sweat, my muscles look glazed. That's my traps right there. And my shoulder. Hella there. I was working on my chest yesterday, so it looks kind of nice today. Can't miss out on the abs. Show out the abs a little bit. Oh man. Oh. But yeah, if y'all want to get that summer body, make sure to watch the video more than 2 times. And I'm gonna be creating more of these fitness videos up in the future, so y'all stay tuned. Because together, we're gonna get hella ripped over the summer. It doesn't matter if you're a dude or a girl. I mean, if you're a dude watching this, congrats, you're gonna get hella buff. And if you're a girl watching this, congrats, you're gonna get that beautiful body that you need and deserve. So, without dragging the video any further, much love. Peace. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, y'all. Much love. Stay wavy.